This is a demo of Penn's Secure Space application, which uses a lot of new grouper features and existing grouper features. This is a federated application, so it starts out with the Shibboleth discovery service, which is the where are you from. Penn users will just click the login with Penn web login. The first thing it does is it makes a web service called a grouper to see which secure spaces the user has access to. There are three roles. There's admin, user, and read-only. Each one of the roles is a different group in one of the folders for each of the spaces. So if I go into one of the spaces where I'm an admin, I can see the milestones, which is some planning. I can see some folders where users can upload files, and if it's a paid space, then you can store old versions of the files. So this folder keeps 4 versions of a file. I can add a file to the space. I could replace that file with another file. I can lock a file so that other people know that I'm working on it. I can see the history of the file. So it was created at this time, it was re-uploaded here. I can see who's viewed it, etc. And since I'm an admin of this space, I can manage members of this space. There are 3 roles: read-only, users, and admins. This button is going to click up a new window which links to the Grouper Manage Members light screen. One of the customizations is that the name of the group is the only thing showing, so that it doesn't confuse the users. You can show more information about the group, but by default only the name shows. So we can add new members to the group from this screen, and since this is a paid space, we allow external people to be in the group. So if you click on advanced features, there's invite external people, and this screen allows you to put in an email address of someone to invite. You can customize the invitation email. And once the user accepts the invitation, they will be automatically provisioned into this group. So we can send that invitation. At that point, I can check my email, and I have an email that's an invite from the application. So let me open this link in a new browser. When I click on that link, I go to the discovery service, and at this point I can either find the institution, the common institution where I have credentials, or if I click on this link, I'll get instructions about what to do to sign up for Protect Network. I have a Protect Network account, so I will select Protect Network. Also, this is the first option of this drop-down. At this point, I get to the Penn external person registration screen, and I can fill out my information. And I can register. So that invite notice that I was supposed to be assigned to this secure space group. So when I accept the invitation, I'm in that group. Also, the person who sent the invite will get an email if they put it on the invite to know when I've accepted. Now, as this user, when I log into secure space with my Protect Network credentials, I'm in that group, and now it shows up on my space. I can go in and look at the space, look at the files, the folders, etc. Just a note, we put a couple rules in our grouper installation that says that the root folder cannot have external members, but everything under secure space spaces can. So basically, if I were to edit the memberships of a group which is not in the secure space folder, like this one, then this invite external members does not even show up. And if you try to use the web services to add a member there, it would be vetoed.